Toyota, Fergus Falls.
And welcome back to the Valley today. Let's take a live look outside the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo. Looking off to the west, we have mostly cloudy skies and more sunshine further east of Fargo. Now, we'll have the mostly cloudy skies through the morning, but more sunshine by later on to the afternoon. Temperatures rising through the 60s and then through the 70s. High temperatures into the upper 70s today into the Fargo area. Currently at 65 degrees in Fargo out toward Jamestown and mid-60s across most of Lakes Country right now. Warming up into the low to mid-60s in northwestern Minnesota and the Northern Valley and Devil's Lake Basin close to 60 degrees right now with a very light northerly wind around 0 to 10 miles per hour. More sunshine as you make your way into portions of north central Minnesota and mostly cloudy skies most everywhere else. And we are also seeing some rain showers developing, especially south of Jamestown, Valley City, approaching the South Dakota border into Brown and Marshall County right now. No lightning, just some rain showers. We do have some stronger thunderstorms near the Sioux Falls area and a frontal boundary to our south producing some rain. High pressure is in charge of our forecast, and another one is right behind it. So we look to have a calm and partly cloudy to mostly sunny Friday and into the weekend. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast. Best chance of having some rain showers in our far southern counties during the day today. Otherwise, we'll have a clearing trend by the afternoon, partly cloudy to mostly sunny. Temperatures into the mid to upper 70s, clearing during the evening. For evening plans, temperatures falling through the 60s with some 50s on the map for overnight lows. Still that chance of some rain showers in our far southern counties again tomorrow morning and clearing out nicely by tomorrow afternoon. For your Saturday, temperatures into the mid to upper 70s. And then let's extend the forecast as we go through the day on Sunday. Mainly dry, and we'll see mostly sunny skies again. Just a slight chance of some rain showers overnight into Monday. Now, our next chance of seeing some strong to severe thunderstorms in a line that's going to form Monday night and make its way through our viewing area overnight into Tuesday. And then we should calm down and be back to mostly sunny skies for Wednesday and Thursday of next week. Here's your afternoon planner for this afternoon. Mid to upper 70s into the southern valley, partly cloudy skies. Going to say seasonably warm for this time of year. Into the mid to upper 70s into Lakes Country, partly cloudy skies with that wind mainly from a northeasterly direction of 5 to 15 miles per hour. Mid to upper 70s, maybe closer to 80 up and down the northern valley and into the lower 70s into the Devil's Lake Basin. Here is your extended forecast. And for the weekend, mainly sunny skies, mid-70s to lower 80s as we go through the day on Sunday. Most of Monday looks dry, some strong to possibly severe storms making our way through the overnight into Tuesday morning as temperatures fall from the mid-80s into the upper 70s. And then by Tuesday afternoon, back to mostly sunny skies, and we keep the sunshine through Wednesday, a high of 79, and warming up to 83 for the day on Thursday, still with a lot of sunshine.
Looking pretty good on Sunday, though. That really is the pick day of the weekend, huh?
Yeah, really nice weekend ahead, not that humid, and temperature's not bad for this time of year.
All right, loving it. Thank you, Justin. President Trump's July 4th... year-old man and a 71-year-old man were also arrested in that sting. Just about 7:31 on this morning. Let's check that forecast with Justin Fanfarelli.
And we will have mostly cloudy skies this morning, but more sunshine by this afternoon, and most of us staying dry with partly cloudy to mostly clear skies later on today. Mid to upper 70s for today. Let's take a look at the current temperatures into the mid-60s and a line from Jamestown, Fargo into Lakes Country. Some lower 60s into the Northern Valley and Devil's Lake Basin, and lower 60s into northwestern Minnesota. Wind is very light from a northerly direction, 0 to 10 miles per hour. And we are seeing some rain showers developing, especially just off to the south of Valley City and Jamestown. Mostly cloudy skies for most of us. Here's where they're seeing the rain as of right now, just getting into the Jamestown area, approaching Valley City. And it should stay off to the south of I-94 into South Dakota, where they have the heaviest rain and some thunderstorms down in that direction. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. Most of the rain just skirting our far southern counties as we stay mainly dry, mainly cloudy skies in the morning with partly cloudy skies later on into the day as temperatures are into the mid to upper 70s. And we will clear out for Friday night, temperatures falling back through the 60s. Let's take a look at that extended forecast. Now, we have another chance of seeing some rain showers in our far southern counties for tomorrow morning. We will have a nice clearing trend for your Saturday afternoon and evening. And then high of 75 on Saturday, 81 on Sunday with more sunshine. Our next chance of some storms, some of them could be strong to severe, Monday night into Tuesday morning as temperatures fall from the mid-80s to upper 70s on Wednesday. Sunny skies lasting through Thursday with a high of 83 degrees.
All right. Thank you very much, Justin. Yesterday, the strongest...
And welcome back to the Valley today. Here's a live look outside the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo as we see mostly cloudy skies and some rain showers just off to the south and to the west of the Fargo area. More sunshine as you make your way into north central Minnesota. Mainly cloudy skies, the story in the morning. More sunshine later on into the afternoon as temperatures rise through the 60s and through the 70s with highs getting into the upper 70s into the Fargo area with a light wind from a northeasterly direction. Temperatures into the mid-60s across Lakes Country, the Southern Valley, low to mid-60s at Jamestown, Valley City, 61 at Devil's Lake. We're also seeing lower 60s into the Northern Valley and a little warmer into the lower to mid-60s in northwestern Minnesota with the winds mainly from a northerly direction at 0 to 10 miles per hour. Mostly cloudy skies, the story across most of the region as of right now. Maybe out toward Bemidji, the Baudette area, seeing some sunshine, but the clouds are continuing to move west to east across the viewing area with some showers developing mainly off to the south of Jamestown, Valley City and into our South Dakota counties, Brown, Marshall, Roberts County, seeing some rain showers. No lightning with these, just some light rain. The stronger storm is moving through the Sioux Falls area right now. We got that frontal boundary off to the south. A couple areas of high pressure giving some sunshine to the arrowhead of Minnesota, and another area of high pressure out to our west that will give us some sunshine going through the weekend. Hour-by-hour forecast shows the best chance of seeing some rain showers through the day today in our far southern counties. By this afternoon, partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies as you make your way further off to the north and off to the northwest. Temperatures into the mid to upper 70s going through the afternoon and falling back through the 60s for evening plans with a nice clearing trend turning mostly clear. And we have another chance of some rain showers in our far southern counties for tomorrow morning and then clearing out nicely by the afternoon with more sunshine as temperatures are into the low to mid 70s, which is not bad for this time of year. We should be into the lower 80s. Hour-by-hour forecast as we make our way through Saturday night into Sunday. A lot of clear skies with just a chance of some rain showers going through the day on Sunday. The better chance of some moisture with some showers and thunderstorms, some of them strong to severe, moving through Monday evening during the overnight into Tuesday morning, and then more sunshine for Wednesday and Thursday of next week as we stay seasonably warm. Here's the afternoon planner for this afternoon. Mid to upper 70s into the Southern Valley, partly cloudy skies. Not bad for this time of year in terms of temperature. Mid to upper 70s into Lakes Country with that wind light from the northeast. So we will be into the mid to upper 70s across northwestern Minnesota, into the Northern Valley, closer to that 80-degree mark, and in the Devil's Lake Basin, the lower 70s with partly cloudy skies. Extending the forecast, another chance of some rain showers south on Saturday morning, and then clearing out by the afternoon, high 75. 81 on Sunday, sunny skies, and there's the storm chances of some strong to severe thunderstorms Monday night into Tuesday morning. Temperatures falling from the mid-80s to upper 70s, near 80 on Wednesday, sunny skies through Thursday with temperatures in the lower 80s.
All right, thank you, Justin. In our Healthier Me this morning, a growing number of Americans
grain elevator around 3 p.m. They say Anderson was working inside one of the bins when he became trapped. Anderson was located about 2 hours later and pronounced dead on the scene. Let's check in with meteorologist Justin Fanfarelli.
And thank you, Rose, and good afternoon, everybody. Yeah, we got mostly cloudy skies out there right now. A few peaks of sun, especially in our far northern counties, but we are also having some rain showers in the Southern Valley and into Lakes Country. Here's how it looks right now. Just some light rain just off to the south of Fargo, Valley City off to the south, getting into the Sisseton area, and from Detroit Lake south in Lakes Country, some light rain continuing to move off to the east. So we should get this out of here over the next couple of hours. Then we'll see if we can see a few peaks of sun before it sets. Temperatures in the Southern Valley near the 70-degree mark where they are not having the rain. We're closer to 75 into the Northern Valley and northwestern Minnesota. The wind has picked up a little since the morning. We're still having northerly or northeasterly winds around 5 to 15 miles per hour. We should see the rain exit over the next couple of hours, then decreasing clouds. And with the sunshine we do get, it should get temperatures into the upper 70s into the Fargo area as we keep a light wind from the northeast. We've got a quiet weekend ahead with lots of sunshine, and we're not going to get active again until we start the next work week. We'll have the details on that coming up later in the newscast.
All right, thank you, Justin. It's Friday, which means it's
And welcome back. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse. The Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo. We saw a little bit of sunshine right after it rose in the 6 o'clock a.m. hour. And then looking off to the west, more clouds made their way in. And now we're actually getting a shower into the Fargo area. Temperatures rising through the 60s to near 70 degrees right now. We are at 70. So is Detroit Lakes, Fergus Falls, a little warmer out toward Park Rapids at 74, but cooler Jamestown, Valley City, some showers in your direction into the mid to upper 60s. No showers, in fact, some sun into the Northern Valley where they're having temperatures into the mid 70s, low to mid 70s in northwestern Minnesota and the Devil's Lake Basin as of right now. The winds have picked up a little, 5 to 15 miles per hour from a northeasterly direction, and that is still a cool direction, pumping in cool and dry air from Canada, which is the complete opposite of what we saw over the weekend and to start this week. Here's what we are looking at on the satellite loop. First off, seeing some sunshine as you make your way in our far northern counties, but mostly cloudy skies. The story across most of the viewing area right now with some rain showers from Fargo out toward the Castleton Valley City area, just off to the north of I-94. The rain stretches all the way back down here toward the Sisseton, Wheaton area, and most of Lakes Country right now, from Fergus Falls to Detroit Lakes, even into the Wahpeton Breckenridge area. Some light to, at times, where you see the yellow on the map, some moderate intensity rainfall. No lightning with this one. We just have this warm front making its way through. We had a couple areas of high pressure, one that gave us the clear skies overnight, but looking off to the west, we have another area of high pressure that is going to be a big factor in the sunshine we are going to get going through the weekend. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. Best chance of seeing some rain showers in the southern half of our viewing area. They should move away in the next couple of hours and then decrease in clouds. And we're seeing partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies by around the 5 p.m. hour. That gets temperatures into the mid to upper 70s for most. And then a clearing trend. Temperatures falling back through the 60s this evening. And for tomorrow morning, another chance of just some light rain showers in our southern counties, but mostly sunny skies. The story as we go through Saturday afternoon. Temperatures with that northerly wind still a little below average for this time of year, mid to upper 70s. And then here's the extended hour-by-hour forecast. We still have a lot of sunshine going through the day on Sunday. Then there's an approaching cold front. We do have a chance of some rain showers Sunday night, but the best chance of having some heavy rain and possibly some severe thunderstorms is going to be Monday night into Tuesday morning. You can see the line forming here and moving through during the overnight period. We should be calm until then, and then after that, for Wednesday and Thursday of next week, back to more sunshine. Mostly cloudy skies turn partly cloudy later on in the day. Temperatures getting into the upper 70s before falling back into the 60s with clearer skies for tonight. Let's take a look at that extended forecast. For the day tomorrow, there's your next chance of just seeing some light rain showers in our southern counties, but mainly sunny by the afternoon tomorrow. High of 75, 81 Sunday, sunny skies, and there's the strong thunderstorms possible Monday night into Tuesday morning as temperatures fall from the mid-80s into the upper 70s. And then sunshine Wednesday and Thursday, temperatures warming back up, upper 70s and lower 80s by this time next week.
So Sunday's looking pretty. No rain, it looks like, right? So
Sunday looks good. Even Saturday afternoon and evening look good. We finally have a quiet weekend, no severe weather. It's not going to be humid and muggy. We're going to wait until Monday before our next chance of some heavy rain.
Sounds like a great way to end the 4th of July weekend. Thank you, Justin. All right, so straight ahead at noon, we hear from a Florida woman.
Days only, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at Home Seasonal Concept.
And we got some rain showers moving through now. We should clear out by tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures into the mid-70s for your Saturday. 81 though on Sunday, mostly sunny. Next chance of some strong to possibly severe storms overnight Monday into Tuesday. More sunshine Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures staying seasonably warm into the 70s and 80s.
Great. Well, sounds like a great 4th of July weekend. We hope you all have a great 4th of July as well, and thank you so much.
Hey guys, so
Live from Fargo and serving you on TV, online, and on the go. This is Valley News Live at 6.
A smoky haze has settled across many areas in North Dakota and Minnesota as a result of wildfires in Canada. Fargo Fire Department says people can expect to see and smell smoke. There have been concerns of possible structure fires due to these conditions. However, local fire departments say when in doubt to please call for an investigation. Officials also say the air quality may fluctuate with these conditions, and they ask people to be aware of these changes. Meteorologist Justin Fanfarelli has more about just how this smoke made its way to the valley. Justin?
And thank you, Katie. Good evening, everybody. Yes, our Storm Team Skycam network shot in Fargo showing a lot of smoke as of right now. And the smoke is coming from wildfires in Canada near the Red Lake, Ontario area. Let's take a look at the visible satellite, and you can see the white on this map. That is the snow moving south from Canada, getting into the Fargo area and points off to the north and to the east. Winds are light, but from a northerly direction. So the smoke has blown in, but it won't be moving anywhere anytime soon because winds are only around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Here's what it looks like. This is where the wildfires are just off to the north of our viewing area by around 150, 200 miles, and that flow from the north is pumping it into our viewing area. We do have an air quality warning in effect for the northern and eastern half of the viewing area. This is through Sunday at noon, and by Sunday at noon, we will have a light southerly wind, so although we won't get rid of all of the smoke, we should try to get rid of it. Going through this evening, we're going to have mainly clear skies if it weren't for the smoke. Temperatures falling back through the 50s. We'll have a full update on what the rest of the weekend looks like and our next chance of some strong to severe thunderstorms. That's coming up later in the newscast.
All right. Thank you, Justin.
A lot of smoke, black smoke.
Blower hotline.
So that way other people could know about it too.
When our team gets involved, we get results, refunds, apologies.
Things changed dramatically. I'm very happy that I got a hold of Valley News Live.
And welcome back. Here's a live look outside the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo. A lot of smoke around. Other than that, we have mainly clear skies. If it wasn't for the smoke, lots of sunshine today, especially off to the west of Fargo. 77 degrees right now in Fargo, Jamestown 75 at Valley City, and also 75 points off to the south of Valley City, approaching the South Dakota border. Mid to upper 70s into Lakes Country, into the mid 70s into the Devil's Lake Basin, but upper 70s, closer to 80 across most of the northern valley right now. Winds mainly from a northerly direction, 5 to 15 miles per hour, pumping down the smoke from Canada. Here's a look at the satellite loop, and we are seeing mainly clear skies across most of the viewing area right now. The showers and thunderstorms and most of the clouds missing us off to the west. Now here's a look at the visible satellite, and you can see the smoke working its way down very slowly from near Red Lake in Ontario. And we do have the winds from the north, but they are light, so the smoke will blow in. It's going to stay over us at least for the next 24 hours, maybe for the next 48 hours, until winds pick up from a southerly direction by Monday. A couple areas of high pressure in charge of our forecast, and we do have that high just over Winnipeg that's giving us that light northerly wind that is pumping down the smoke from Red Lake in Ontario. We are tracking a system just off to our west. This low pressure system is going to come through, and that cold front will be here by Monday night, give us our next chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. Other than the smoke, mostly clear skies, temperatures falling back through the 60s and into the 50s for lows this evening, and then going through the day tomorrow. Lots of sun, maybe a few more passing clouds in our southern counties. Temperatures getting up there into the upper 70s and lower 80s. There's your sunny skies. We'll still have some smoke around tomorrow, even though we will have a southerly wind, 10 to 15 miles per hour. High of 82 into the Fargo area. Temperatures into the lower 80s off to the west of Fargo, some upper 70s across Lakes Country and northwestern Minnesota. Then most of the daylight hours on Monday look mainly dry. We're going to have partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies until around 5 p.m. This model has a line of thunderstorms developing and moving across our viewing area into the evening. Some of them could be strong to severe, and this one actually could be a big wind maker. We'll continue to watch that. Slight risk of severe weather already out from Devil's Lake, Jamestown, points off to the west for the day on Monday, anticipating severe weather. That system gets out of here for the day on Tuesday, high of 84, 78 on Wednesday. Chances some rain showers through the day on Thursday, high of 76. Friday, we got mainly sunny skies, and for next weekend, chances some rain showers and temperatures mid to upper 80s.
Well, it doesn't look too bad, just a lot of chances of rain.
Yeah, it's going to be an active weather week again.
All right. Well, thank you, Justin.
Mm-hmm.
And another...
We got mainly clear...
Of a preview of that U.S. World Cup soccer game tomorrow.
That'll be one to look for.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Beth. And now let's get one last look at our weather. Justin?
We got mainly clear skies if it wasn't for the smoke in some portions of the viewing area. Temperatures falling from the mid-70s back into the lower 60s this evening. For the day tomorrow, mostly sunny to partly cloudy. We will still have some smoke, but temperatures are ranging from the upper 70s to lower 80s for most of us. And we stay dry and quiet until Monday evening. That's the next chance we have of some strong to severe thunderstorms. Temperatures into the mid-80s, and we keep the chance of rain Tuesday and Wednesday morning.
All right, well, we'll keep an eye on that.
Mm-hmm.
All right, thank you so much for watching, and we hope you have a wonderful rest of your night.
Closed captioning of Valley News.
Good.
Conditions, and they ask people to be aware of these changes. Meteorologist Justin Fanfarelli has more about just how this smoke made its way to the valley. Justin?
And thank you, Katie. Good evening, everybody. Here's a live look outside the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot at the Dakota Magic Casino. We've got partly cloudy skies with haze, very light to some places calm wind, as you can see with the flags here, barely moving. Let's take a look at our alerts right now. An air quality warning in effect from the Red River points points off to the east into our Minnesota counties. This is through tomorrow at noon, although we will still have a lot of smoke in our forecast even through the day on Sunday. We might have to wait until Monday before we get a breezy southerly wind before we get rid of the smoke. Current temperatures look like this: into the mid-60s into the Bemidji area. Everybody else mainly into the lower, some places mid-70s. Let's take a look at the winds across the region. Very light, 0 to 10 miles per hour, mainly from a northerly direction. The northerly wind did pump in the smoke, and since it's so light out there right now, it's just going to stay over our viewing area going through the next 24, possibly 48 hours. The satellite loop shows that if it wasn't for the snow, for the smoke that is, we'd have mainly clear skies. Let's take a look at the smoke making its way down from Canada, and it's you can see on the visible satellite a line coming down from Red Lake, Ontario. Now south of the Fargo area, you can see here, and it's just going to stay there for a little while. High pressure to our north is in charge of our forecast, giving us that northerly wind. We're tracking this low pressure system. Our next weather maker going to go to our north over the next couple of days. This cold front will make its way through Monday night into Tuesday, our next chance of some active weather. Hour by hour forecast shows light northerly winds through this evening. That smoke going to stay out there. Mainly clear skies otherwise. Temperatures falling back through the 60s into the 50s for low temperatures. And for the day tomorrow, mostly sunny across most of the region. We're going to have a little bit of a southerly wind. Hopefully that'll help with the smoke scenario. And temperatures getting up there into the upper 70s and lower 80s. Into the Fargo area, 82 your high. We got mostly sunny skies with that smoke. The winds from the south around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Elsewhere across the region, upper 70s and lower 80s. Lots of sunshine making our way through Sunday. As we go through the day on Monday, we will be mainly dry into the morning, but making our way into the afternoon, we're expecting a line of thunderstorms to form and then move east across the viewing area. Into the evening, some of the thunderstorms could be strong to severe, and these could be dangerous wind makers going through Monday evening. Temperatures falling back through the 70s for the day on Monday. Let's take a look at that extended forecast, and there's your good chance of some rain showers and thunder through the day on Monday and Tuesday. Moving away on Wednesday, temperatures falling back through the 70s. Then Thursday, mostly sunny, high of 83, and a chance of some rain showers and some thunder and lightning. Friday and Saturday, temperatures hot for this time of year, 88 to start next weekend. By Saturday, temperatures back into the mid-80s.
You know, I'm looking forward to those temperatures, but I'm not looking forward to all the chances of rain.
Yeah, another active weather pattern. Enjoy the weekend. Enjoy Thursday, too. Lots of sun.
Absolutely. Well, something to look forward to. Thanks, Justin. Still ahead tonight, 20 people were in.
Still probably.
Count on us.
And we will have areas of smoke, otherwise mainly clear skies. Temperatures falling from the mid-60s to the upper 50s into the overnight. For the day tomorrow, upper 70s to lower 80s. We've got mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Smoke is still probably going to be an issue until Monday afternoon. Breezy southerly winds will get it out of here. High of 84 with some showers and thunderstorms moving through, lasting through Tuesday, possibly early Wednesday. Mostly sunny for Thursday and a lot warmer to approach next weekend.
All right, thanks, Justin. A Lithuanian couple has won the world wife-carrying title, leaping over timber and wading through waist-high water to beat dozens of their other couples. The couple cleared a grueling 278-yard obstacle course in 1 minute and 6 seconds. Couples from over a dozen countries took part in the annual races. Prizes were issued to the first 3 couples to cross the finish line, as well as the most entertaining couple, the best costume, and the strongest carrier. I just cannot believe this is a real thing. I was shocked when I saw this video, but it's a lot of fun.
Going through the water, I didn't know they did that, and you saw the wife fall off in that last scene.
Yeah, they dropped it right before the finish line.
Yeah.
Accidents happen, I guess. Makes couples stronger. All right, thank you so much for watching, and have a great night.
I've driven 57 miles 5 times to Quality Toyota for a great deal.
What's your number? How far will you drive to get a great deal at Quality Toyota? Tundra, RAV4, Tacoma. What's your number? Quality Toyota, Fergus Falls.
If a dirty CPAP is making you sick, you're not alone. I was getting sinus infections because I wasn't cleaning my CPAP properly, and that continued until I got my So Clean.
So Clean is the world's first automated CPAP cleaner and sanitizer. It kills up to 99.
By a lot. Fargo.
Quality may fluctuate with these conditions, and they ask people to be aware of these changes.
Valley News Live 10 at 10 continues with no wait weather.
And let's take a look at our tower cam time lapse. Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo. We saw mainly sunny skies across most of the day. It wasn't until the early afternoon that the smoke started rolling in, and it did reduce visibility by a lot, making our way through the day. Temperatures were into the upper 70s for high temperatures today. Air quality warning alert from the Red River points off to the east into our Minnesota counties. It's through noon on Sunday, and we could be dealing with the smoke until the day on Monday when we get a much stronger southerly wind. Here's the current temperatures around the region. Into the mid to upper 60s across Lakes Country, northwestern Minnesota, some mid 60s in that direction. Fargo at 68, but the Northern Valley a little cooler, and out toward Jamestown, Devil's Lake, mid to upper 60s. Not bad for this time of night and this time of year. Wind is very light, 0 to 5 miles per hour, mainly from a northerly direction, and that is going to keep smoke over our viewing area through at least the overnight. We'll see if we can flip the wind around to more of a southerly direction for the day tomorrow, but still it will be light, so we could be waiting until Monday to get rid of it. Other than the smoke, mainly clear skies across the region. That's going to be the story through the next 36 to 48 hours. Here's a look at the visible satellite. And you can see the smoke streaming down, even getting further south than Fargo, going through the day today. And it is from a wildfire near Red Lake in Ontario. Now, high pressure is in charge of our forecast just to our north, giving us the sunshine. That flow from the north is set up, and as the high moves off to the east, it will get calm overnight, and that smoke will stay over us. We're tracking this low pressure system. Eventually, it's going to move to our north. We're going to get a stronger southerly wind by Monday. That should get rid of the smoke, but we got that cold front coming through. That's our next chance of some strong to severe thunderstorms. Mainly quiet through the overnight. Temperatures falling back through the 50s, and we'll rise to the 60s and 70s through the morning tomorrow with mainly clear skies. The smoke still around. High temperatures into the lower 80s for most of us on your Sunday. High of 82 in Fargo. Winds light from the south around 5 to 15 miles per hour with temperatures across the region for highs into the upper 70s and lower 80s. Now for the day on Monday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy in the morning. There's the strong southerly wind, but a cold front sets up and some strong to severe thunderstorms will develop and then move through as we go through the evening into the early overnight. And temperatures will drop as we go through next week. Let's take a look at that extended forecast. There's your sunny skies for tomorrow, but the chance of some showers and thunderstorms Monday, Tuesday, even Wednesday morning. Temperatures falling back through the 70s, back into the low 80s for Thursday with mostly sunny skies. And for Friday and next Saturday, partly cloudy skies with a chance of some showers and thunderstorms, but temperatures warming up into the mid to upper 80s to start next weekend.
Well, hopefully that smoke will clear out so some people can enjoy that sunshine for tomorrow.
It will be a little better tomorrow, but most of us are going to be dealing with it until at least Monday afternoon.
All right. Well, thank you, Justin. Still ahead tonight, 20 people were injured in an explosion in... Everyone to watch.
There, she's one of the co-captains. She missed the semifinals with a hamstring injury. She says she feels ready to go, and we should expect to see her tomorrow.
It'll be one to watch.
Yeah.
I'm excited for it. Thanks, Beth. And how about one last check of the weather?
And we got smoky conditions tonight, otherwise mainly clear. Temperatures will be falling through the 60s into the 50s with that light wind from the south or southeast. Through the day tomorrow, still dealing with smoke. We will see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies and temperatures into the upper 70s and lower 80s. Next chance of some strong strong to severe storms this Monday night into Tuesday morning. We keep the rain through Tuesday, even into Wednesday morning, as temperatures will fall back through the 70s, but warmer on Thursday, mostly sunny 83. More active and hot for Friday, a high of 88 degrees back into the mid-80s next Saturday.
We'll have to keep an eye on those rain chances for sure.
Yeah, definitely Monday night.
Yeah, definitely. All right, well, thanks, Justin. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great night.
Is also brought to you by
people who have been diagnosed.
And on the go. This is Valley News Live at 5:30.
It might look calm through the lens of our sky cam, but storms are firing in parts of the region, and that could impact our evening plans. Let's go right to Justin Fanfarelli for more details in your no-wait weather. Justin?
And thank you, Melanie, and good evening, everybody. Most of us are seeing partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. We do have some isolated shower and thunderstorm activity. Let's take a look at where we are seeing the storms as of right now. We do have a couple of storms, one just north of Valley City. That could give the Valley City area some heavy rain and maybe some lightning over the next half hour or so, and one just off to the north of the Tower City area right now. And the strongest storm so far has just moved through Monoman, stretches back toward the Ada area, approaching Ulen, White Earth, and moving into portions of northern Becker County. And there's more storms well off to our west, just off to the south of Bismarck. They are severe with an active tornado warning in that direction, and that activity will continue to head in our direction going through the evening and overnight. Temperatures into the lower 80s in our Minnesota counties, a little cooler. Devil's Lake at 74 and 87 up and down the Red River Valley, with the wind flipping around from a southerly to more of a northwesterly direction, wind speeds of 5 to 20 miles per hour. This evening, mostly cloudy skies and temperatures falling from mid-80s into the lower 70s with a chance of some showers and thunderstorms. We remain active through most of the next week, but there's a slight cool down to approach the weekend. We'll have the details on that coming up later in the newscast.
Okay, thank you, Justin. And make sure you have the Valley News Live Storm Team weather apps. Ahead tonight.
And high temperatures once again above average into the upper 80s. Our normal is 81 degrees, but temperatures will be on their way down to approach the weekend. We'll have the details on that coming up. And welcome. And welcome back. Here's a live look outside the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo. And looking off to the north and to the west, we are seeing some thunderstorm activity from that storm just off to the north of the Tower City area. Everybody else across the region, mainly mostly sunny to partly cloudy, unless you're under an isolated thunderstorm. Temperatures into the lower to mid 80s into Lakes Country, but Fargo, one of the warm spots, at 87 degrees right now. Jamestown at 88, Valley City 81, but cooler air into the Devil's Lake Basin at 74 degrees right now. The Northern Valley mid to upper 80s and lower 80s into northwestern Minnesota, which is pretty warm for this time of year. Wind in most areas from southerly direction of around 10 to 20 miles per hour. We do have a cold front just off to our north, so the Northern Valley, Devil's Lake Basin have flipped around to more of a northwesterly wind. That's why it's a little cooler in those directions, with wind values of around 10 to 20 miles per hour in most places. Now, the dew point across the region, it's a little muggy, especially in the Thief Falls, Roseau area down toward Grand Forks, and into the Jamestown area, points off to the south toward Aberdeen, into the mid-60s in terms of dew points, which is pretty muggy and fueling some of these isolated showers and thunderstorms. We got mostly sunny skies to the Northern Valley, most of the Devil's Lake Basin seeing mostly sunny skies, and most of the Southern Valley and Lakes Country also mostly sunny. And we got this thunderstorm that is just off to the south of Monoman, approaching the White Earth area, northern Becker County right now. A little bit of lightning and some heavy rain with this one. Also, we're tracking a few more thunderstorms, one just off to the north of Tower City, one to the north of Valley City, and into the Lemoore area. We had a thunderstorm just off to your west that is weakening as of right now. The bulk of the active weather well off to our west into portions of western North Dakota, getting into western South Dakota and eastern Montana. We do have this frontal boundary boundary that is draped across our viewing area. Southerly winds ahead of it and northerly winds behind it. And this is going to be the fuel for some showers and thunderstorms as we go through the rest of the evening and possibly into the overnight. You can see where the severe thunderstorm watch areas are right now. We're looking at this watch, which is in effect for portions of south central North Dakota. And this does include Stutzman, Lemoore, Dickey, and Brown County, a severe thunderstorm watch. This is through midnight in that direction. That's where we have that slight risk of severe weather, meaning that we could see a couple areas of some intense thunderstorm activity going through later on to the evening and into the early overnight. Most everybody else in a marginal risk of severe weather, meaning 1 or 2 storms could become severe. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. There's the isolated storm activity over the next couple of hours, and the bulk of the moisture will get here into the late evening and early overnight, with thunderstorms making their way through, dissipating just before daybreak, and going through the day on Wednesday. We've got mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Temperatures by the noon hour into the mid-70s, and we're going to be cooler tomorrow, near 80 degrees for most of us, with some showers and thunderstorms again isolated across the region as you go through your Wednesday evening. And starting off July 4th, it's just going to be like last July 4th. We could have a good amount of thunderstorms in the morning, and then it will clear out by later on into the day, and temperatures behind a frontal boundary will be a little cooler into the upper 70s as that wind does flip around more of a northerly direction. That cooling trend will continue as we go through the rest of the week and start the weekend. Here's the photo of the day. It's called Finding Shade. This is at the University of Minnesota at Crookston. Thank you, Margot, for this one, using the background of the 7-day forecast. Recapping the next couple of days, there's your chances for some showers and thunderstorms. Otherwise, partly cloudy. Temperatures into the upper 70s to near 80. 77 on Friday, 74 on Saturday. Mostly sunny, just a slight chance of some showers and thunderstorms. By Sunday, mostly sunny, a high of 81. 78 Monday, partly cloudy with a chance of storms. And then for Tuesday, partly cloudy with a high of 77 degrees.
It's nice to see the temps a little more milder than last week, because it seems like last week we got really hot. So a little bit of a cool down.
Yeah, not as hot if you don't include today.
Yeah.
It's going to be near 80, which is near normal for this time of year over the next few days.
Okay, thank you, Justin. Meanwhile, what if dipping into...
Connecting what's now to what's next. Sparklight Business. Go anywhere from here.
And we will see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies with isolated showers and thunderstorms this evening. Temperatures falling from the mid-80s back to near 70 degrees. Now we have a better chance of some showers and storms during the early overnight. For the day tomorrow, just a chance of some isolated showers and storms into the evening. Temperatures a little cooler, ranging from near 70 in Devil's Lake to near 80 into the Southern Valley. Now for the day on Friday and Saturday, just a slight chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures falling from the upper 70s to mid-70s. 81 on Sunday, mostly sunny skies. And then for Monday, partly cloudy, chance of some showers and thunderstorms, a high of 78 degrees. And for Tuesday, partly cloudy with a high of 77 degrees.
So definitely be ready for those showers kind of on and off the next couple of days.
Yeah, it's going to be an active weather pattern between now and Saturday morning. So definitely be aware it could rain at any time.
Okay, thanks, Justin. And thanks for joining us on KX4. Andrea and Mike have more news right now over on Valley News Live. Have a good night, everyone.
Back some of the elements of the crime bill which have been detrimental. But Biden has really been under fire over the past.
Way with meteor.
Live from Fargo and serving you on TV, online, and on the go. This is Valley News Live at 9 on Fargo CW.
Storms with large hail are making their way across North Dakota right now. This video was taken in Jamestown earlier this evening. Let's check in right away with meteorologist Justin Fanfarelli for the very latest. Justin?
And thank you, Melanie. Good evening, everybody. We have some scattered showers around the region. It looks like the worst of the storms so far have weakened. We are seeing partly cloudy, some places mostly clear skies now. Where they're getting the shower activity, mainly off to the south of Jamestown. It looks like We do not have any lightning with this one. Approaching Valley City, a shower is moving in your area. We do have a shower down towards the Edgeley area, but the heavy stuff is well off here into portions of south central North Dakota right now, approaching the Bismarck area in a line extending south toward the South Dakota border. And this is moving off to the east and will affect portions of our viewing area, especially our southern viewing area, during the late evening and overnight. Temperatures across the region into the mid to upper 70s in most areas, and there's the chance of some showers and thunderstorms going through the overnight with temperatures into the lower 60s. We'll tell you what the week ahead holds for us. We're going to cool down a little, but stay active with more rain chances. That's coming up a little later on in the newscast.
Okay, and the big question is the 4th of July, which I'm sure you'll have a little bit later on.
Yeah, we'll tell you the forecast, see if you'll be enjoying fireworks without having to deal with rain showers.
Okay, thank you, Justin. Fargo police are stepping up. And is turning into a stormy night. Let's check in again with Justin Fanfarelli in your no-wait weather. Justin?
And thank you, Melanie. Good evening, everybody. Here's a live look outside the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam that was shot in Fargo. Looking off to the west, and we are seeing the showers and thunderstorms that are into Barnes County as of right now. And here's a look at the current temperatures. We are into the mid to upper 70s across Lace Country, the Southern Valley, some low to mid 70s out toward Jamestown and Valley City, and a 70 right now at Devil's Lake, but into the mid to upper 70s from the Northern Valley into northwestern Minnesota. Now, the wind speeds are mainly from a southerly direction in our southern eastern counties and from more of a northwesterly direction as you make your way further north and off to the west. Wind speeds not that strong, around 5 to 15 miles per hour in most cases, but the dew point is getting a little muggy. Dew point values into the lower to mid 60s across our Minnesota counties and some mid to upper 60s from Jamestown points off to the south, including the Sisseton, Aberdeen area. That's where they have the most moisture in the atmosphere. Current satellite loop shows that we've been dealing with a few strong thunderstorms, especially into Stutzman and making our way into Barnes County and points off to the south. Most of us, though, are just seeing mostly clear to partly cloudy skies across the region. Here's a look at where we are having the rain as of right now, mainly from Jamestown, Valley City. Just a shower right now. The thunderstorms have definitely weakened from Jamestown points off to the south toward the South Dakota border. Also seeing some showers. We have a thunderstorm just north of the Steele area. That also has been weakening, but the main batch of strong storms is right now approaching the Bismarck area, points off to the south as you approach the South Dakota border. This line will continue to make its way off to the east and could affect portions of our viewing area going through the late evening or the early overnight. We do have that flow from the south ahead of this cold front that basically bisects our viewing area. It's going to continue to make its way off to the south, and that will spark off some showers and thunderstorms going into the overnight, and there's a cool northwesterly flow behind the front. Severe thunderstorm watch still in effect for most of southern North Dakota right now. This goes until midnight, and it doesn't include Stutzman, Lemoore, and Dickey County, as well as parts of Brown County in South Dakota. A slight risk of severe weather in this area, meaning one or two storms could develop that could be severe as we go into the overnight. Marginal risk most everywhere else, and that map does go until 7 a.m. tomorrow. So here is the hour-by-hour forecast. An increase in the clouds with that line of some showers and thunderstorms continuing to move off to the east, approaching our southwestern counties going through the evening, and then going through the overnight. We should start to clear out with partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies going through the day tomorrow, but there is another chance of some showers and thunderstorms Wednesday night into Thursday morning, but clearing out nicely for July 4th evening festivities. More storm chances Friday and Saturday, and we're back to mostly sunny skies on Sunday, but temperatures cooling into the mid to upper 70s as we approach the start of the weekend and warming back up into the lower 80s for Sunday.
So the rain's going to get out of here in time for fireworks Thursday night?
It's like what happened last year. We had a lot of strong storms in the morning, but it cleared out and we had really nice weather for evening activities.
Good. Thank you, Justin. Do you ever take a second to add a
Call the whistleblower hotline.
And we will see partly to mostly cloudy skies with showers and thunderstorms moving through into the evening and early overnight. Temperatures falling back from the lower 70s into the upper 60s. Now for the day tomorrow, we have partly cloudy skies with a chance of some showers and thunderstorms. And temperatures are going to be near where they were today, a little cooler in some places into the mid to upper 70s. And then as we go through the day on Thursday, some shower and thunderstorm chances in the morning, then clearing out by later on in the day, upper 70s on Friday, mid 70s on Saturday. We keep the chance of some showers and storms to start the weekend. Mostly sunny Sunday. Temperatures back into the upper 70s Monday and Tuesday.
Okay, thank you, Justin. And thanks for joining us on the Fargo CW. Andrea and Mike have more news in a half hour over on Valley News Live. Good night, everyone.
Beyond boundaries. Protocol.
On he had 20.
Live for more updates. And it's the calm before the storm right now in Fargo, as a lot of you were getting ready to hit the road for the 4th of July holiday. Potentially severe weather is heading our way. Let's check in with Justin Fanfarelli right away for the very latest. Justin?
And thank you, Melanie. Good evening, everybody. Showers and thunderstorms already starting to develop across the region, some of them turning strong to severe. We're watching a storm that is about to move into our viewing area into portions of west central Stutsman County. A severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect until 6:15. Basically, if you live between the Woodworth area or the Medina area, prepare for damaging winds and possible large hail. Now, the line does stretch up toward the Carrington area, New Rockford, just off to the south of Devil's Lake. Also seeing some showers and thunderstorms developing, one just off to the south of Valley City, one off to the south of Castleton, which you can see in Fargo if you look off to your west, and some stronger storms between Gwinner, Lidgerwood, and the South Dakota border, and some more shower and thunderstorm activity moving from Ottertail into Wadena County. We have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for our southern and western viewing area. This is through midnight because through the overnight we do have a chance of some strong to severe weather into the lower to mid 80s in most places, with the exception of Devil's Lake, which is at 71 degrees. And there's your chance of some showers and thunderstorms lasting into the overnight as temperatures fall back into the mid 60s. Now we will have a calm day for most of us for July 4th festivities and a slight cool down into the weekend. We'll have the details coming up later in the newscast.
Okay, thank you, Justin. High temps and plenty of June showers have made the perfect conditions for mosquitoes, which could put a damp This week, Benson starts a basic training program at the U.S. Military Academy at West Point, where he'll study political science and economics. It can be a harmful holiday for your pets. What you can do to keep your furry friends calm during fireworks on the 4th of July, still ahead tonight.
And more severe weather is possible going into the evening and into the early overnight. We'll have the full details on that coming up next.
You've got that, don't worry about that. Healthy Systems USA.
If you're injured in a motorcycle accident, call 1-800-LAW-TIGERS, North Dakota's motorcycle lawyer.
And welcome back. Strong to severe thunderstorms now moving into our viewing area. I want to start off with the warning. This is a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for west central Stutsman County until 6:15. We are getting reports that hail up to golf ball size will be possible, especially if you live between the Medina area, the Chase Lake area, or the Woodworth area. Also 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts are possible. I want to take a look at the hail size indicator right now, and you can see some yellows on this map, and that is indicative indicative of hail over an inch in diameter, possibly up to golf ball size. This is a little delayed, so the best chance of seeing some large hail, especially into the Chase Lake area. But if you do live between Medina and Woodworth, take your severe thunderstorm precautions as of right now. It's moving off to the east around 20 miles per hour in a rural area, but could hit areas between Cleveland and Pingree over the next hour or so. The line does stretch all the way up toward the Carrington area, New Rockford getting a lot of lightning and heavy rain, and even Devil's Lake getting some lightning and rain. Also, we have some storms, just very isolated storms popping up. One of them just off to the north of the Grand Forks area, one near Castleton that is about to move into the Fargo area, and one near Valley City. Also, we have a storm complex down here toward the South Dakota border, so between Gwinner, Winemere, Lidgerwood, and down toward the northern portions of Roberts County, some storms in your area. And we also have some storms just north of New York Mills and getting into Wadena County. Here's what it looks like in terms of the temperatures around the region, and we are pretty warm, especially the further south and the further east you go, with low to mid 80s, a little cooler into the Devil's Lake Basin at 71 degrees as of right now. Wind across the region from a southerly direction in our southern counties, still light at the surface, 5 to 15 miles per hour. More of a northerly direction as you make your way further north. Winds around 5 to 15 miles per hour up in that direction also. It's also another very humid day, especially in our southern and western counties, with dew points into the mid to upper 60s in some places. We have this frontal boundary that is still stationary across our region, with the air to the south coming from the southerly direction in our southern counties and more from a northwesterly direction in our northern and western counties, and that's giving us a clashing of the air masses. And along this front, we do have the chance of severe weather going through the evening into the overnight. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect from Barnes County and points off to the west until midnight. And we do have that slight risk of severe weather for the southern half of our viewing area, meaning that we could see severe storms develop and then move through portions of the viewing area. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. We're going to see isolated stuff as we go through later on into the evening. And then the storm should form a complex with a windy line of storms possible moving through the Southern Valley into Lakes Country as we go through the overnight. And most of the activity should be over as we go through the afternoon, with clearing skies and partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies for July 4th. Temperatures across the region a little cooler into the mid to upper 70s for highs. And for the day on Friday, most of us staying dry, though we can't rule out any time of the day a passing shower or thunderstorm as we round out the week, and temperatures should stay into the upper 70s and lower 80s. Then for Saturday and Sunday, partly cloudy skies. Temperatures a little cooler on Saturday, mid-70s, lower 80s Sunday, with more shower and thunderstorm chances Monday and Tuesday as we're near 80, and partly cloudy skies on Wednesday, a high of 76. There's your weather. Let's check in with Hutch now at the Cashwise Backyard Barbecue.
Hey everybody, meteorologist Hutch Johnson here in South Moorhead with Tony from Cashwise. Just a beautiful night tonight. What does Cashwise have in store for us this week as we get ready for the big 4th of July?
Do we stand behind our windows?
We stand on them. And the severe thunderstorm warning for west central Stutsman County will continue until 6:15. Let's take a look at the hail track on this one. And we have seen some weakening, but still penny to a $half sized hail is possible, especially in the Medina area, points off to the north. We'll keep you updated as we go through this evening. Have more at 6.
Okay, thank you, Justin. And thanks for joining us on KX4. Mike has more news and weather right now over on Valley News Live.
The holiday weekend is here, and we're helping you celebrate at the Nissan July 4th sales event. Save big on our lineup with advanced tech, like
Northern Valley. That's where a man is dead after getting stuck in a grain bin. Before we get to that, though, we're continuing to track those severe storms making their way across the region. Large hail and strong winds have been packing a punch. This picture was taken from Annetta, North Dakota, that's southwest of Grand Forks. Let's get the latest right now from meteorologist Justin Fanfarelli. Justin?
And thank you, Melanie. Good evening, everybody. We have several severe thunderstorm warnings across the area right now. A couple of strong storms, one just off to the north of Fargo, one just off to the south and to the west of the Fargo area. I want to focus on this north one right now, and this one is a severe thunderstorm warning, west central Clay County and northeastern Cass County. This could be a hail producer, hail up to ping pong ball size, just approaching the Georgetown area. Also, we have a storm that's rotating quite a bit just off to the south of Fargo, making your way into portions of southwestern Clay and northwestern Wilkin County. Severe thunderstorm on that one until 9:15. Also, we have a couple more severe thunderstorm warnings located out in this direction, down off to our south and to our west for southeastern Lemoore, northeastern Dickey, Ransom, and Sargent County. This warning in effect until 10 p.m. And we could have hail up to $half size with this one. 60-mile-per-hour winds possible. So if you live in the Oaks, Lisbon, or Gwinner area, definitely be aware of that. There is a chance that we have these storms come together and produce a line of very gusty thunderstorms during the overnight period. And we will have more on that coming up a little later on in the newscast.
Okay, thank you, Justin. And now back to that grain bin accident in the Northern Valley. It looks like Sam 4th tomorrow morning. And if you're one of those millions of people hitting the road, here's a look at the cheapest gas in the FM area. It looks like Sam's Club is the lowest right now at $2.19. And we are continuing to track these severe storms that have been making their way across the region tonight. Let's get another look now with Justin Fanfarelli. Justin?
Yeah, thank you, Melanie. Good evening, everybody. The Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo is pointing off to the north, and that's where our strongest storm is as of right now. First off, the severe thunderstorm warning for the Fargo area and points off to the south will expire at 9:15, but there is still a severe thunderstorm warning just off to the north and to the west of the Fargo area, also until 9:15. Then we'll see what the National Weather Service does about extending that one further to the north and to the east. Hail size with this one, we're seeing some greens and yellows on the map, and that's indicative of 1 to possibly even 2-inch hail. So if you're traveling on I-29 just off to the north of Harwood into the Gardner area, and if it holds together into the Georgetown area, be prepared for some very large hail from this one. Also, we have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect. This is for southeastern Lemoore, northeastern Dickey, Ransom, and northwestern Sargent County. This one is until 10 p.m. You could have inch to inch and a quarter, that is quarter to $half sized hail with this one, and 60-mile-per-hour winds going through the next hour or so. Let's take a look at where the watch is right now. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect until midnight for the southern and western quadrant of our viewing area. Here's what we have in terms of the surface map. Still that frontal boundary stretched across us, and anywhere across this frontal boundary we do have the chance of some strong to possibly severe storms going through later on this evening into the overnight. Temperatures on the warm side of the system, mid to upper 70s, a lot cooler out toward the Devil's Lake Basin into the lower 60s as of right now. Slight risk of severe weather for the southern half of our viewing area, and this does last during the overnight, through the overnight, and there is a chance that these isolated storms will form into a line that could be a big wind producer that will head into the southern valley and then eventually dissipate in our Minnesota counties during the morning hours. And then for the day tomorrow, clearing skies as mostly cloudy skies turn partly cloudy. Temperatures a little cooler as you make your way through July 4th. And there's still a chance that we could see an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Most of us, though, staying dry, making your way through holiday festivities. Partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies by afternoon after we get past the rain showers and the thunderstorms. Highs into the upper 70s into the Fargo area for your July 4th holiday. Mid to upper 70s across most of the rest of the area, and we should stay dry. For the day on Friday, though, there is a chance of a shower or thunderstorm anytime, and temperatures staying slightly cooler than they should be this time of year into the upper 70s. Then mid-70s on Saturday and near 80 on Sunday. We got partly cloudy skies, mainly a dry weekend, more rain and thunder chances Monday and Tuesday. upper 70s and lower 80s. And then Wednesday, partly cloudy, a little cooler, a high of 76 degrees.
So a little break from the rain and storms this weekend, it looks like?
The break is going to come during the weekend, and that's pretty good news for us. Also good news, mainly dry for tomorrow night.
Okay, thank you, Justin. A summer golf program is given...
An hour-by-hour forecast to help you plan your day. Valley News Live, 10 at 10.
Okay, and we still have 3 active severe thunderstorm warnings as of right now. A new one issued for portions of Hubbard and Beltrami County, including the Bemidji area. This one is until 10:15. Also, we still have a severe thunderstorm just off to the north of Fargo. That one is in effect until 10 p.m. And Lemoore County has been taken out of the severe thunderstorm, but the severe thunderstorm warning is still in effect for Dickey, Ransom, and Sargent County until 10 p.m. Any one of these storms could be a large hail producer. We're talking hail of nickel to possibly $half size. And if you're not in the warning, you still could have hail of around nickel to quarter size and 50 to 60 mile-per-hour winds if you're under one of these thunderstorms. So we'll keep you updated as we go through this evening, and we'll have updates at 10 o'clock.
Yes, exactly, on our website and on our app as well, so people can keep track of that way.
Yep.
Thanks, Justin. And thanks for joining us on the Fargo CW. More news and weather in a half hour over on Valley News Live. Good night, everyone.
I've driven 57.
I think he watched her.
Yeah, Courtney Lockey, Valley News Live.
For more updates on road construction in our area, just go to valleynewslive.com. 7:03 now on this Friday morning, and hopefully Mother Nature will cooperate the next few days with construction as well, not get too rainy out there.
Yeah, it shouldn't be that bad. Most of the rain in our far southern counties and a mainly dry weekend ahead with lots of sunshine. Let's take a look at what we're expecting for this afternoon. The clouds that we're seeing this morning should part. We should see partly cloudy skies by the afternoon. Temperatures getting into the upper 70s into the Fargo area, seasonably warm for this time of year, into the mid-60s across most of our southern counties as of right now, making our way further north, seeing some upper 50s on the map, and temperatures near 60 degrees into the Devil's Lake Basin and into the Northern Valley, with the winds pretty light, around 0 to 10 miles per hour from a northerly direction. We are seeing mainly clear skies from a line from Roseau, Detroit Lakes points off to the east. Mostly cloudy skies across most of the viewing area as of right now, with just some rain showers in our far southern and far western counties from I-94 points off to the south and I-29 points off to the west. You could see a few showers this morning, most of us staying dry, though. The bulk of the moisture here into portions of eastern South Dakota and eastern Nebraska, with some strong thunderstorms into the Sioux Falls area right now. Most of that is going to miss us off to the south as we see partly cloudy skies today, with temperatures into the low to mid 70s. And for evening plans tonight, a nice clearing trend, mainly clear skies as temperatures fall back through the 60s, some low temperatures tonight into the upper 50s. We'll tell you what to expect as we go through the weekend, and our next chance of some strong thunderstorms, we'll tell you when that is, coming up later in the newscast.
All right, thank you, Justin. The strongest earthquake to hit